Hello, and welcome to this brief tutorial on interlibrary loan. If you need a book or article that is not owned by the SNU library, we can borrow it from another library through interlibrary loan. There are two main ways to request items through ILL. First is through our online form. You'll start on the library website at library.snu.edu. Then scroll down and click on the interlibrary loan box. On this page, you can find more information about interlibrary loan. At the top of the interlibrary loan main page, you can click on the link titled "Please click here to fill out the ILL request form." This will take you to our Google form. Once you're on the form, you will be asked for a patron barcode among other information. This is the 14-digit number that is found on the back of your SNU ID. This number should start with 2303. You will then be asked if you need an electronic source like an article or a physical book. Make sure to give us as much information as you can about the book or article. If there are certain blanks you can't fill out, that's fine, but the more information you have, the more likely we will get the exact item that you're looking for. Articles and sections of books are received as PDFs, normally within a few days. If you need the whole book, it may take an average of 10 days to arrive on campus. However, delivery times may vary. The final way to request ILLs is through whichever database you are working in. If you run across an article while researching in one of our databases, like EBSCOhost here, then you can click on the option "Request this item through interlibrary loan." So in EBSCO, for example, I've searched for community engagement. I want to use this first article, but when I click on the access options drop-down, there is not a PDF full text to download. However, I can click on the "Request this item through interlibrary loan" link. Simply fill out the form and hit submit. For more information on EBSCO, please see our tutorial for how to search on EBSCO that I will link in the description below. Finally, if you ever run into a problem or have any questions, feel free to email us at ill@snu.edu. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.